This is a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, XM satellite radio, a locking rear differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, dual power seats, cruise control, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 46,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.